Hey guys, this is how to fix Swann Security app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the security app. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on the app and make sure you are running the latest version. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, if it still doesn't fix the issue, just simply go to the second solution. It's just simply go to the settings. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And now from here, just try to find the Swann Security application. And after that, just simply tap on it. And now from here, tap on storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom, and you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply tap on a clear data and tap on OK. And from there, guys, you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, for the last solution, is just simply tap on the application and just simply uninstall it and tap on OK. And from there, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again into your device. There you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you out. See ya.